Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from mindfulmarketplace.com. And in this really quick video, I'm going to keep it under, let's say, 4 minutes or so. I'm going to show you how to install a premium Ghost theme. And Ghost is the CMS that we're using, or the software, actually, I should say, that we're using for a brand new community blog and publishing project on our Mindful Marketplace community. We're actually building a multi-author uh, blog where folks can, write blog posts and add content and add products and add events and things like that in a really smooth and silky way. As you've probably heard me say before, Ghost is really an ideal publishing platform for community style sites. I know many people watching my stuff are interested in directories and marketplaces and things like that. And Ghost doesn't necessarily do that natively incredibly well, but what it does do is it gives you the ability to create true multi-author, community-supported content platforms that WordPress simply can't emulate at this point. So one of the first things that all of us want to do is style the site in a way that is appealing to us. So this actually is my ianhollander.com personal blog. This is not the URL that we'll be using for our Mindful Marketplace community. I'm going to share that going forward as well. As a matter of fact, I actually decided I'm going to transparently share every step in this process of building this new platform, styling the site, inviting, authors, inviting members, doing, reach out or outreach campaigns, ads, offers, all of that stuff. So if you're interested in watching all of that, I'm going to be documenting step by step how we build this community. I'm probably going over 4 minutes just in my opening spiel, so I'm going to shut up and show you really quickly what you want to do. So this is the back end of my Ghost installation. And you want to go to design, I believe it is, and here it is. And I'm not really an expert on Ghost at all. This is just this is really the first site that I've maintained in quite a while since they released their 3.0 member subscriptions, upgrade to their platform. And, it's my own personal site, so obviously I have a lot of faith in what they're doing going forward. Here are all the themes that are installed. Most of these came with the installation, so they're sort of freebies. This one I'm using on a live site. This is the one we're going to be using on the new project, and I'm going to upload a new theme right now so you can see how easy that is. And I'm just going to not show you the messy desktop that I perpetually have. I'm dropping this zip file right here. Those of you who are familiar with WordPress will notice how much easier and smoother this is, and I'm just going to activate it right there. And now you were just looking at my site a minute ago with this style, and now you're going to see a completely different style, right? That is obviously taken from the theme that I just installed. All right, that whole thing took seconds. Obviously, most of this presentation is me just blabbering on, so you can see just how quickly that you can play with your Ghost, style the aesthetics of it without really, getting your hands dirty with code or having to do any design stuff yourself. If I wanted to change, let's say, the site to a completely different aesthetic, and watch this when I refresh it. And those of you who are familiar with WordPress will know this is much more akin to the, once you have the theme installed, you can pretty much change it up as you see fit, again, by dint of just making a theme active in the backend. So that part's not that much different than WordPress, although I have to say working with Ghost is a dream from a publishing, a writing, and a maintenance basis relative to its WordPress analog. Okay, so I hope that's been helpful. Again, that was installing a premium theme, and I actually got this theme, by the way, from uh, GitHub, whatever it's called. And this is a developer who's offering this for free. And it's, this is called Reme, and it's really beautiful. And it's, really, really attractive, free, and great dark here. You can see actually this is what it looks like. I don't know the guy. I just saw this on the Ghost forum and decided that I would try it for one of our new communities. I did decide ultimately to go with this one here, which is active, and there's actually also a light version of that, which I've installed as well, and you can see that here. All right, so this is the same theme, and it's all really, really easy to manage. Okie doke, hope that's been helpful. And, as always, if you have questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.